Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is I'm XN, I'm Success Nathaniel, and the channel we are working today is SN Crypto World. Alright, I'll be showing you how to make money from this site. Like this site is paying and it's actually paying, so I'll be showing you step by step how to follow to make money this site. And in fact, this site is not stressful. You just have to do two things whenever you come online. Do those two things. Just share a post on any social media and they direct you, and watch a video for like 30 seconds. You are done, and you're earning a whole awesome money from this site. So before, name of this site is VIEWPOINT. Yes, VIEWPOINT is actually paying. So right now, before we proceed, I would like you to use this privilege to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, and please give this video a thumbs up, guys, and always share this video. All right, thank you so much. I know you've done that, but if you've not, please try and do it. All right, for you to start making money in this site, you just go ahead and click. Okay, I can see now I have like 1,050 naira, and once ever you sign up using the link I'm giving you in the description below, they'll be giving you 500 naira welcome bonus. That's it. So it's a customized link for us. So for you to make money, I'll share to share post. Just click on this three dashboard there. You see your dashboard, you see your watch video, you see your video and withdraw, you see your balance, something. So then you go to Veria video task. So you click on Veria video task, it will now load. So I want to tell you something. In this site, you have is of two package: the video earner and the premium earner. So for the video earner, you earn 5,500. You earn 550, like 550 every single day from this site. You earn 400 for watching video for like 30 seconds, and you earn down 150, yeah, for sharing video to any online platform. And whenever you share a post to whenever you share your referral link, as you can see my dashboard, there's a referral link there, so you can go ahead and copy your own. So when you share your referral link, they will be giving you 1,200, hopefully 1,200. I see they have increased to 1,400. So you just start making money. Like imagine you referring 5 persons a day, you're making a lot of 5,000 plus or 6,000 plus. So that's just very good thing about this site. All right, then for the other package, which is the premium package of it, they'll be charging you 10,000, and this 10,000 you'll be earning 2,600 every single day. For this site, by when you watch video, they'll give you 2,000 naira. For those 30 seconds you watch a video, you're getting 2,000 naira, and when you share a post, you're getting 1,600. So that's so good. Now that's so good. Why won't you just sign up to this site? And when you refer someone, my brother, they're giving you a 4,000 naira, like 4,000 naira. Hopefully, will give you 4,000 naira just for referring someone. So go ahead and use the link in the description below and sign up for the premium part of this site. It's actually paying. But if you don't have it, go for the 2.5. When you start making money, you can upgrade. So that's just it. So right now, for us to share a post, like we are in the video earner, which is we earn 550 every day. So for us to share a post, you just click on that Veria earner I showed you. It takes you to this place. You see the post you have to share. So what you have to do is just to go down. You see here that the right click here to go to Veria share post. When you just click here, it now take you to the post you have to share. So you can just go ahead and read all those things below it. So when you come here, look at the dashboard, it brought out. So here it say cash out big. So you can earn like 60,000 to every month from this site. That's for the premium earner of it. So what you have to do just to scroll up. I'll show you what to click. Is for them to direct you to the post you have to share. So you just come here. Okay, look at the step to follow on how to earn from here. So you go ahead and read the stage. First one, go to Facebook, and second one, follow their channel and all those things. So you just make sure you do it, because I'm all in that channel like this. So but right now, I'll just go straight to this first step, which is all right. We'll go ahead to click the step 1. So when you just click this step 1, it will say it will take us to the link. So naturally you are going to our Facebook, so I'll just click on the Facebook here. It will direct you to your Facebook account. So you have to have a Facebook account for you to earn from this site, mostly because we are sharing our posts mostly on Facebook. You understand? We're sharing our posts mostly on Facebook. So that's so we'll click on Facebook, but I think you can also use your Chrome and access it also. All right, so while the Facebook is loading, because it's just taking a bit time, please do hit that red subscribe button, share this video to your friends, and give this video a thumbs up if you are getting value from it, because this video is actually paying. And once you sign into this account, I'll be showing you, I'll be directing to their WhatsApp group. They have a special WhatsApp group from this site, so I'll be taking you there. So I have to put my link down below, and get in touch with this website link. Okay, actually look at what it brought here. So for you to aim from here, you just go ahead and copy this post here. Look at the post here. This post is actually on Facebook. People are commenting on it, so you can just go ahead and copy this post. How do you copy this post? You press it tight, like you press it as you might copy something on your Facebook. You are trying on Facebook now, so as you press it tight, it will load, and now it will bring down the option of copy. So now I click on copy. Like below it you can see copy text. I'll just click on copy text. I've copied the text right away now. So once I'm copied text, I'll now go to my dashboard and do what and paste it. So this is my own Facebook account now, so I'll just go to what's on your mind. I'll click on what's on your mind. So once I click on what's on your mind, look at it here. I'll just paste it here. Look at all the posts I just copied. That's what is here. Everything. I'll just click on done. So once I click on done, it will appear here. And what else I have to do just to click on post. So I'll just click on post and get the post posted. I'll get posted to the internet. So right now the posts have been posted. Look at it here. They say I'm uploading your post, so it will not take a while from the upload. Let me just refresh it so they upload it once. So that's just it. Look at my posts have been uploaded. Look at it now. So actually I've been from there. Then what you have to do here is to copy the link at which you post. You drop the post, copy it and copy the link. By clicking this three dotted line here, you see copy link. You copy your link. Let me copy your link now. It has been copied. Okay, yes, link can be copied to clipboard. So I'll now go back because actually I'm not running my Facebook. So I'll now go back to the site. I've shared the post now. So when I share the post, I'll come down here. I'll scroll up and look at there's a place for me I have to click to tell them yes I've shared it. Okay, say click here to end. This yellow button here which say click here to end, I'll click it for them to identify yes I've done their task. Alright, sorry for that. That was a call that came in. So right now I'll click on this yellow button that they say click here to end. I'll just click on it. When I click here to now like telling them yes I've done what they asked me to do. So that's the first step of ending from here. As you can see, it's very easy. So I've done it actually. So I'll have to go fill in my Facebook details and as well log in my Facebook details. So I'll just have to fill in my Facebook details right away. Once I'm done posting on Facebook, they're bringing me back to this page. So I'm here now. I've done that. So I'll just go back to my dashboard from this site. Let me refresh this page and go back to my dashboard. So I'll just click on my dashboard. So I'm going back to my dashboard. Now I'll be showing us how to watch video for 30 seconds from this site. So actually, so as you can see now, my balance have increased. I think I showed you my account initially. So they have topped that amount like 150 for just because of I share the post. That's just the way. Make you share the post, just go back to your page. You are done. So that's it. And look at I earn 150 every time for sharing posts. So right now I'm going to show us how to watch movie from this site and here, but don't bother. Even if it's not long, it's always 30 seconds. So you just go ahead and do it. So you go back to this three dotted line at the left hand side, top right left hand side there. So when you click it, because that's where all the menu are. So I'm just clicking it now. Then when you click it, you click on watch video. Was it loading again? So I'll just take it back. Sorry, give me time. Let me go to my dashboard. So just click on it. You click on watch video. When you click on watch video, it will now take you give you the link. You have to look at what it says. You're welcome to the viewpoint you are working on. So you can see, you can go ahead and read there, say how to earn from watching video. So this is what I want to show you actually, but you can go ahead and read it. So you can see this red icon like a second a playing device here. So you can just click on it. That's where you have to go. When you start, once you click on it, it show your options. So I'll go ahead and click on YouTube because actually we are watching our video on YouTube. So I'll just go on YouTube. Then it's not take us to the site at which we are going to watch that particular video they want us to. So that video is not long going actually, as I'm saying. So actually guys, I'm still on the YouTube and I'm done watching the movie. So as you can see, it has disappeared from the and this and that left on to play. So I'll just go back to the site because they will bring me another thing to watch. So I've done. So now let's say verify your video session. This may take up to a few hours. So I'll just come back. Actually, it will take some time to verify if actually I watch the movie and they'll be increasing mine. But don't bother, they will increase your earning in less than few hours. That one is done. So you'll not be seeing that the amount will not be showing right now, but it will appear very, very soon. So that's it. I remember when you sign up, they are giving you a sign up bonus. So once you can sign up bonus of 50 500 naira for a video earner, and for video earner you have to pay 250, like 2,500, but for the premium you have to pay 10,000. The difference is you are earning 550 every day for the video earner, and that's it. That's one-time payment of 25, and you're earning 2,600 for the premium earner. That's one-time payment of 10,000. You'll be earning a lot. And when you refer someone, which is option referring is not mandatory, but once you do for the premium, you are getting 4,000 instantly. Like imagine you're referring 4 person, thus you're getting 16,000, thus with no stress, despite the money it's coming in every day. So guys, that's just it. I'll go to my dashboard. I'll show you your referral link. I'll show you my friends. You can go ahead and copy the referral link from your own dashboard. So right now, just jump into this site, create an account, just use the WhatsApp, the link I'll be dropping. Get to WhatsApp, I'll give to buy a coupon code, because the coupon code, that's what you're buying with that amount. You understand? So this is my own referral link. I'll be sharing it, and please, I'll be showing us one thing very important here. One thing very important, like I'll be showing one thing very important. Once you're signing in, if you don't see succeed on your referral and you see viewpoint, don't consider the process. Just chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll be replying every chat considering this video point. So referral must carry this succeed for you to earn the referral bonus. So guys, that's just it. So if you really find value in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and I promise I'll be dropping another awesome video like this, and I'll be showing some withdrawal proof right in my inbox and WhatsApp. So just come DM me and you're good to go. All right, see you guys in my next video.